Ano ang comfort food mo kapag sobrang overwhelmed ka na sa life? Yung pagod ka, pressured ka, at gusto mo lang ng isang bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. For me and my son, it's ramen. Lately, sobrang pagod niya sa school and you know those days na parang gusto mo lang siyang ilabas, pakainin ng favorite food niya at bigyan siya ng little break. So today, comfort food muna and of course, one of our favorites, Ramen Nagi. We went to their Shangri-La branch, which is actually our favorite because it's quiet, spacious, and perfect kapag gusto mo lang kumain and chill. We honestly love trying different flavors here, pero kapag pagod na at gusto mo lang ng comfort food na alam mong hindi ka bibiguin, butaw ramen. Wala nang isip-isip. Kabisado ko na yung timpla at combination na gusto namin. And honestly, that first sip of the broth, so comforting. I always go for the shoulder, tender, thinly sliced, and perfect with the hot ramen. Pero, one rule, kainin mo na agad habang mainit. And of course, we paired it with their low-calorie iced tea. Super refreshing. Sometimes, you don't need a big celebration to feel better. Minsan, favorite food mo lang with your favorite person. Kayo, anong food ang instant nakakapagpa-happy sa inyo? Comment below, baka yun naman yung next na itatry namin.